Okay, here we are at Shade State Park on Trail 8 Rugged. I'm filming this because the trail has been cleaned out and it's much easier to get through it. So you're going to enjoy this, I think, or you're not. Either way, I'm going to film it. Ouch! Ow! I got my feet wet. Not really. Using the GoPro Hero 7 with hyper smooth image stabilization. So I don't need a gimbal. I just need to hold it steady. Steady as she goes. Yeah. You gotta pick your spots here. Rock to rock. Try not to get your piggies wet. When you get your feet wet, well, in the wintertime you can get hypothermia, but we're still in the summer. Even though fall is almost around, fall is approaching fast. We're in September. This is September 14th, I think, or 13th, I don't know. Uh-oh, now where do I go? These GoPros are extremely durable cameras. Even if you drop them, they hardly ever break. And it's waterproof up to 30 meters. So it's perfect for hiking trips like this. We might run into some people, but we'll try not to. The water looks like it's... Well, I don't think that's the best way to go. I gotta go... There we go. Let's see. I can get out of your way here. You got to pick your spots.
Yeah, it's like I think we hover here and then we can cut back that way.
Yeah, you just got to pick what looks. Got to pick your spots. I was recording the trail. I'll try not to get you in it. Okay. Lots of people on the trail today. Just gotta pick your spots. These rocks are really slickery, which means you could fall down and hurt yourself. I've done it before. But most of the trees are cleared out on this trail now, so it's really not that bad. Used to be much more difficult because you'd have to go over the trees or under them. You got a little bit of mud. I guess that's normal when you have a creek. When you're treading through a creek, you're going to have some mud. We got some hikers up ahead. I'm going to try not to get too close to them because I'll scare them. They've probably never been on this rugged trail before. It's really not a hard trail, it's just rugged. You just got to step over a lot of rocks. And be careful not to slip on them. Make sure your shoes have good traction. Because the last thing you want to do is jump on these slickery rocks and fall and hit your noggin. Because if you hit your noggin, that's going to hurt. I used to go that way. I could go that way, but I think I'm going to step down and go this way. Now, what do I do? Well, I'm going to step over here and go this way. And then I just slipped. But you know what? I'm okay. You don't have to call 911. I'm okay. Here's another big rock. I only brought one battery, so we're just going to film this trail. And I don't want the video to be too long, because long videos are scary videos. We're coming to the edge here. What looks to be a giant waterfalls, but I'm sure that's not what it is, because we don't have those here in Indiana. Maybe in Yosemite, but this isn't Yosemite. Look at that. Looks like a beaver's built a dam in here. Now you got to be a little careful on here because you could slip right through the cracks. But we made it. You got to find your spots here. Well, we got some rocks over here. We got some rocks over there. We've got some rocks everywhere. We got some sunlight peeking through the trees here. Well, it might look a little bright in areas on this video. Now, which way do I go? We're gonna go up this way. We gotta let these people get through, so we'll go this way. You just got to pick your spots. We got a couple of hikers up ahead going a little bit slower than me. I just don't want to catch up to them too quickly. Having a hiker come up on you wearing a red shirt might be kind of scary. Plus, I still have my Halloween mask on from last year. I never take it off. I wear it year-round. Oh, lovely. We'll come up on a creek called Sugar Creek. To me, it's more of a river. I don't know why they call it a creek. It started out as a creek, but it got wider as it went on through the different counties. Uh-oh, now where do we go? Like I said, you gotta pick your spots. And we're gonna go between this groove right here, between the rocks here. Lots of moss on the rocks. I don't think it's poisonous if you touch it. Can you hear that? It's a babbling brook. Okay. We're gonna try to dodge the obstacles and try not to skin up our kneecaps. Slickery dickory dock. I just about rocked my clock. Okay, oh. Okay, we're over the worst part of it now. This trail's pretty darn easy now. Can you say easy? I can. Lots of weeds, lots of ferns. Poison ivy too. We're going to be coming up on a creek here before long. We're low on rain again. We're low on rainfall, so I don't know that the water will be very high. So you might not need your hip waders to watch this once we get to the creek. I'm pretty sure you won't. The gnats are out. As we get closer to fall, the bugs aren't as bad. They're not really that bad though. I'm not getting eaten alive like I usually do in July, because this isn't July, this is September. This is close to mid-September here. I can see the creek from here. I can hear people yelling. Ooh, you can see the water now. See that water? It's quite lovely. That's part of the creek, but that's kind of a stagnant area there. nature at its best right there. It's just so lovely. Well, I guess I can end this video now. Let me go over the bend and then I'm going to end the video. There's the creek. You can see it from here. I can hear people playing in the water. That's what everybody wants to do, is play in the water. They don't really want people to. Drownings have occurred. There's a better view of it. There's the beach area. We're getting closer and closer to the water. There it is.